What's up, guys? You're probably wondering, what the heck am I looking at here? That looks like a Jackrabbit, but bigger. That's exactly what this is. This is the new Jackrabbit MG Dolé. This is the two-person version, but it also comes in the Renegade, which is a cargo version. This bike has pretty much the same specs as the XG. Did someone just crash over there?
Yes.
Did you catch that?
Just barely.
Did his chair break?
No, I just barely got it. It's on like the very
he's on an e-bike.
Oh, I hope he's okay.
Yeah, me too. I hope we captured that, though.
I did. It was like in the very corner.
Yeah, so this has basically the same specs as the XG Pro. It has a 749 watt motor, which again is right below the e-bike legal power limit, which is why you don't need pedals on a bike like this. And it also has the unlockable off-road mode, which gets you up to 25 miles per hour. But as you can see, this one's a lot bigger. The front tire is 24 inches, rear tire is the OG 20 inch, and they are both 3 inches wide. The Dolé comes with the extra long seat and the rear pegs. People also want to know what the weight is on these usually. Ultra lightweight, 52 pounds.
Oh, you also forgot to say my beautiful girlfriend is filming this.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I did forget to say that.
Yeah, make sure you add that in.
That slipped my mind.
No, that would never slip somebody's mind.
I think that must have just slipped my mind. Built for 2 riders, and it comes standard with the dual range buster batteries, which gives it a range of up to 48 miles. This bike features hybrid hydraulic brakes, which means it's mechanical all the way down to the cylinder, and all the hydraulic components are down here. And it comes in a variety of colors. Today, I got my lovely girlfriend behind the camera, and we're gonna double up on this thing and go hit the beach. So come along with us.
You want me to sit on the back part or just the front?
Yeah, can you actually drive?
Oh, yeah.
I think that would be a more interesting video if you were driving and I was just talking to the camera riding on the back. Here.
I would definitely crash.
We're definitely not going down the beach like that guy did. Pretty much the same specs as the XG. Did someone just crash over there?
Yes. I don't even really feel like I have to hold on to that much on this bike because I have these pegs that make me feel so secure.
Yeah, but I'm kind of a renegade.
Okay.
I'm kind of a wild man, you know that. You never know when I'm just gonna do a stunt.
No, you're carrying precious cargo.
Oh, that's right. I got a 360 on a selfie stick. Whoa, that guy's got one of those jet ski flying jet. Whoa, we gotta go check that out. You see that?
Where?
He's got like a jetpack, water jetpack. You see him? He's flying up in the air.
Oh, yeah.
That's not incredible to you?
I've seen those before.
Oh, wow.
It's pretty cool, though. I mean.
Wow, you're just jaded by technology. More comfortable than the Sur-Ron?
Oh, yeah. This is the most comfortable seat for any of the bikes so far. And definitely the most room. This bike feels like it's the smoothest ride, but also does the best with like potholes or like a bump or something.
Oh yeah, the nice thick tires really help with that. Suspension tires. The sidewall is like softer than normal tires. So there's actual suspension in the tire.
And I kind of like the seat on the back. It like goes up a little bit, so I sit a little like higher than you.
Oh, so you got a little better view of what's going on.
This is us. This is our couple goals right here.
Oh, yeah?
One day we'll just be running together.
Well, I offered to race you and you said no the other day.
No, I would kick your ass.
You would go faster than me?
Oh yeah, I ran track in high school.
You ran girl track. I'll race you right here, right now. Do you have your Karen shoes on?
I don't want to run before
Oh, isn't that surprising? You don't want to run right now.
I think I'll get a drink.
Oh, okay, okay. That's where you dump your poop? That's an RV dump station.
Right next to SeaWorld.
Yeah, that's why people are like, they think I'm weird for having a composting toilet, but I would much rather just throw away dirt, you know, just put dirt in the grass than have to go to some place like that and like pump out all this blue poop water. People are like, no, I need to poop into water. I have to poop into water and flush it.
So you don't have any water in your toilet?
No. Yeah, as a driver of a two-person bike, I'm actually pretty comfy too. Because when we're on the Sur-Ron, I'm usually like sitting so far forward that kind of hurts after a long time, and my back is kind of like in a weird position. But I feel like I could ride this all day with you. I could ride all day with you.
Wow, that's so romantic.
What's your confidence level now? Right at your current seating position.
What do you mean? On what scale for confidence?
Like, do you feel confident and comfortable?
Oh yeah.
Like safe?
Oh yeah, this is definitely the bike that I've felt the most comfortable and most confident on.
Oh, we did a little wheelie. Did you feel that?
A little bit.
This is a fun little jump to hit. Maybe not with two people. Whee! This is right where I got pulled over with Dave on the Sur-Ron. And I immediately put my Sur-Ron into storage after that. Haven't touched it since.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to take the two little jackrabbits out on like a little cute bike date.
Oh, that would be cute. We can do that later. There's some really cool buses over here. I mean, RVs are nice, but I like the custom stuff. You think we look cute?
Oh, we look so cute.
I wish I would have charged for my 360. Whee! And then I just throw it right back on my chest. Have you noticed how many freaking RVs and e-bikes are around here?
Oh yeah.
They're all copying me. I invented living in a bus and riding e-bikes. I didn't know I was that much of a trendsetter.
Yeah. Everyone wants to be you.
Holy
Ooh.
shit.
Ooh.
What a dumbass. That could have been life-altering.
I know you saved me.
I
My
did.
hero.
I did save you. If I was alone, I would have just sent it right into him, and I would have played dumb. And then I would have been like, ow, my neck.
It's a cute little view.
Yeah, I like Mission Bay more than the ocean. Everyone thinks the ocean is so beautiful. It's like the sunset is beautiful. But I would rather look at the bay and the mountains.
We love the children.
Jesus. We love the children.
And those motorcycles, they show no mercy.
What do you mean?
They're just like in the middle of the lane.
That's legal in California.
Is it?
Yeah, it's called lane filtering. And I don't get why it's not more, it should be legal in every state. But it's actually safer for the bikers. And it helps with congestion. So like cars out here are aware of that, you know? They know the rules. Mm-hmm. So like they'll even actually scoot out of the way for you sometimes, and then the biker will give you the peace sign.
It's only $1 to ride that roller coaster.
Yeah, and it's also 100 years old, and it's made out of wood. I'm good on that one. This is the Starbucks where that woman stole my order. And then tried to get away with it. Oh wow, we're just like them.
Pull it in like right there. Let me get off. Oh. Sitting. Oh, it says bikes not permitted right there. But all these people have bikes here.
Yeah, I don't know where they're supposed to go though.
Did you guys ask them about bikes out here?
No, but
Oh. Yeah.
there's like probably a bunch of bike racks like in that where everyone looks. To
Yeah.
see them, probably.
Yeah.
Hopefully the next place we choose has a bike rack. So.
Yeah. Cheers. We have napkins in here.
So gooey. Oh, that's good. Even though it's just avocado, egg, and toast.
See? You could do pescatarian life. That's your protein right there.
You know, I believe in Jesus. I can tell this guy's in his 30s because he has nautical star tattoos.
Nautical star?
Yeah, that's what I have.
Those are called nautical stars?
Yeah,
Why?
because they're on pirate maps.
And why'd you get those?
I don't know. I really thought that I was like really original. And then literally a bunch of other people had the same ones in the same spots.
Demi, that's the wrong side.
Okay.
Demi, this side, okay?
Now that's a nice polite bell.
It is.
If the Suron just has a horn, so it'd be like move as I'm on my dirt bike on a frickin' path. Damn. All right, we're going for the shortcut. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay. What's this place with all the umbrellas?
Oh man, you say umbrella weird.
Umbrella?
Yeah, did I make fun of you for that the
Yeah,
other day?
you did.
Yeah, okay, so that's not a new one then.
No.
Umbrellas. There's signs everywhere that say no e-bikes, but literally,
Everybody.
yeah, no one gives a shit. But if the cops wanted to make a little bread, they would just park out here and just get everybody. Oh, this guy's on a Suron. Something. That was, I forget what those are called. But those, you know, even though I ride one of those, that really should not be down here. Oh, that's cool that there's like,
Little private beach.
yeah. Get off my beach. Ooh, shortcut through there. Shortcut through here. Here we go, here we go.
Oh my god. Oh.
And the cops on me. And the cops on me. Let's get out of here. Is he following me?
No.
He's chasing me.
You have absolute paranoia.
He's chasing me.
What's that for?
It's for the bell. It's for the bell.
So why are you doing it?
To test it out for the review video. I'm doing a bell review.
Oh. I think it works.
We still have so much battery, and we've been going up hills, and we've been going full speed the whole time. Whoa, that cop just did a wheelie.
Are you serious?
Not a real wheelie, but he pinned it. He like pinned it so the front went up a little bit. It wasn't like he was actually doing a legit fucking wheelie. He was just, they just love their shit. Like even cops that just drive, that are just in cars, like they have fast cars. So every once in a while you catch them just being a little bit of a joyride. Now when it's time to chase a criminal, by all means, have at it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see, Dave likes parking here, and this is great on the weekdays.
Mm-hmm.
But on the weekends, it's like, oh, better make sure you have your spot. Better make sure you have your spot. These guys are charging their dirt bikes with a gas generator.
And got a bounce house going.
Oh my God, that's such a bad look. Yeah, I hate it here on the weekends because it's like party all day, and then the sun goes down, and it don't stop.
Yeah, I'm a day party person, not a night party.
Yeah, you went to bed at 7:30 last night.
This weather though is just so nice.
I know. It's way better than 90 days of 100 degrees and up.
Look, they're arguing.
And they're on a boat that's just rocking like crazy. Holy shit.
Why is he holding up his finger to him?
Because, oh, so what he's doing is he's probably saying no to a field sobriety test, which is smart because you don't have to do that. So the cop is probably being like, you know, either do this or we take you to jail. But they're going to take him to jail no matter what. So you might as well just not do it and go to jail, fight it later.
Oh, his friend is even angry. Yeah. They're
Well,
both angry.
I mean, they are just out here on Labor Day weekend trying to have a good time. But you also shouldn't be drunk driving a boat.
It's also like 2 o'clock,
Yeah.
so they must have been really fucked up to be pulled over this
Yeah.
early. Okay. I'm a strong, independent woman that don't need no man.
But it's nice to have one. Might as well have one, right?
Yeah.
Dolé! Hey, your bike's in a tree. Hey, he's plucking the bike tree.
You're not gonna be able to get out. Yeah, this doesn't look suspicious at all. We're carrying a bunch of wrenches into SeaWorld.
Yeah. You know what?
Like we're about to go set some animals free from their tanks.
All right, well, now we know we could sneak into SeaWorld.
What is happening there?
Oh, you know, just little roadside maintenance.
Chucking those
Yeah.
if they were in her way. How much battery do you have?
Way more than half.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Well, it's actually, it looks like it's at about half right now. But we're like probably less than a mile away now. Whoa, e-bike family. Whoa, that guy was trying to be cool. Happens to all of us. We all want to be cool, you know. We made it home. We made it home safe.
Okay. Drop me off so I can unlock the door for you.